Back to school season is here, and that means shopping for new school supplies. It can be daunting to know where to start, especially if you're on a budget. To help you figure out what's missing in your stash, we've curated 4 sets of school supplies that are all under $20. Study tools. Studying is a huge part of every student's routine, and good study tools can help boost productivity and learning. Our first pick for the study tool set is a Uni Jetstream 4-color multi-pen. With 4 colors in one pen, color coding is a breeze. Next, the Monami Essenti soft highlighter is easy on the eyes, yet eye-catching enough to highlight important points in textbooks or notes. If review sessions on whiteboards are more your style, the Pilot Boardmaster Whiteboard Marker is our top choice. It features bold colors that are easy to read from a distance. Now onto accessories. The Kokuyo Tack sticky notes are versatile and fun to use, either as page markers or for taking mini notes. They have a strong adhesive backing so you can easily peel and restick them. Lastly, if you need flashcards or a memo pad for note-taking, the Raymade card memos can't be beat. An elastic band keeps all the sheets in place, and you can hook the metal ring onto your backpack so you always have them with you. Note-taking and homework essentials. Although schoolwork has become more digital, taking notes by hand allows you to remember information better. To get the most out of your note-taking and homework, we recommend the Pilot 2020 Shaker Super Grip Pencil. A popular choice among students, it combines an affordable price with function. To extend the lead, just shake the pencil. If you prefer pens, the Uni Jetstream Standard Ballpoint Pen offers fade-proof and fast-drying ink, so you don't have to worry about smearing your notes. To take care of mistakes, the Tombow Mono 2-way correction tape and eraser is the perfect all-in-one helper. One end has a slide-out correction tape head, while the other has a twist-out eraser. Our top notebook pick is the Apika CD Notebook. It comes in lined and grid sheet styles, and its silky smooth paper is a delight to write on. Finally, if you're tackling math problems, the Midori Multi-Ruler is your best friend. It folds in half for easy portability, and even doubles as a protractor. Organization must-haves. Everyone's disorganized at times, so having the right organization tools makes handling schoolwork much easier. For this organization must-have set, we recommend 2 folders, 1 binder, and 1 pencil case. First up is the Kokuyo Kolori Easy Clip Folder. Its smart design looks great as a report cover, while the clip mechanism stores your papers securely. Lightweight and flexible, the Maruman Kurufit binder lets you rearrange and organize your notes for class. Plus, you don't have to worry about pinching your fingers. To open the rings, just unhook the white tab at the bottom and slide them apart. Lastly, the Blue Q pencil case holds up to 20 pens, offers fun designs, and is made from 95% post-consumer recycled material. Planning accessories. Planners are essential to school life and can help students stay on top of deadlines. If you don't have a planner yet, we recommend the reliable Apika CD-free monthly planner. Since it's undated, you can start using it at any time of the year. Next, the Zebra Sarasa Push Clip Gel Pen is perfect for color coding your due dates or appointments. It has juicy gel ink and comes in over 30 colors. The Zebra Mildliner Highlighter also goes a long way for planner addicts. With an extra fine bullet tip on one end and a chisel tip on the other, it can also be used for embellishments or writing notes. For those who like decorating their planners, MT Slim washi tapes are a must. Each pack comes with 3 tapes, and the slim width gives you more flexibility. The BGM washi tape special errand lets you add cute checklists to your planner. Easy to peel off and re-stick, they're especially convenient if your schedule changes often. Finally, Stylogy's circular washi tape patches are fun additions to any planner. Easily re-stickable, they call attention to important dates with a pop of color. Here are some extra tips on how to save money when buying school supplies. 1. Go through all the stationery you own to make sure you don't buy duplicates or things you might not need. Chances are you have some unfinished notebooks sitting around, or pens waiting to be used. 2. Higher quality items won't wear down as quickly, saving you money in the long run. Oftentimes, these items are refillable and can be used multiple times, so you don't have to keep throwing supplies away every year. Lastly, when your favorite pen runs out of ink, buy a refill instead of an entire replacement. Refills are cheaper and waste less plastic. Which of these supply sets was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. You can find all of these items and more at JetPens.com. Thanks for watching.